It's 8:30. It's 8:30. Welcome aboard.
Nice to see you, mate. Your turn.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too.
Not going as planned. Go, Zach. This would be a good photo. Watch the alarm go off.
So you guys on my general boardings or still pre-boardings?
Like 8:25.
Okay. Plays here and there. Supposedly we're supposed to.
We are at general boarding.
Every time he says that, it doesn't happen. And then he's like, oh, we're not picking anybody else. And then apparently he picked up some guy. Granted, played a little bit for the Orioles, so it's kind of hard to say no to that.
Right.
But Jason's listening here.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
He gets home.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you? Do you want 23? Do you want the last one?
Okay, thank you so much.
I'll take 22.
All right, bye.
Just a couple more minutes. Then once we're airborne, it's a quick 40-minute flight. We'll do it at 23,000 feet. Should be mostly smooth up there for us. Hopefully this weather at the Northern Kentucky International Airport is light winds out of the north, good visibilities, just a few scattered clouds, and the temperature on the ground is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I really appreciate you flying with us today. Once again, welcome on board.
Throughout the cabin. Your flight attendants are coming by at this time to double check that your seatbelts are securely fastened, seatbacks, tray tables in their upright and locked position, and once again, all those carry-on items completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving. Southwest Airlines and your crew, welcome to Cincinnati. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened, seatbacks, tray tables in their upright and locked position. All those carry-ons right where they are until the captain brings the aircraft to its final stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign above you has been turned off. Please be very careful when opening those overhead bins. Items do tend to shift during flight and could fall out. Now, if you're connecting here to another Southwest city, simply check the television monitors inside the terminal for your flight and gate information. For those of you who are continuing on with us to Baltimore or Providence, this is your aircraft. We are going to ask you to just please remain seated a little bit longer, allowing the local customers to exit the aircraft. Once they've done that, Apple will come to the back to count you. And when we confirm that number with our ground representatives, we'll make an announcement when it's okay to get up, stretch your legs, or use the facilities. Upon exiting the aircraft, folks, we do want you to maintain that distancing, so if you would, please resist that urge to all jump up once the seatbelt sign's been turned off and stand in the aisle and go absolutely nowhere because the door is not open yet. Once we do get that door open, the flow of traffic will begin, so if you can, just please stay where you are and let the rows ahead of you go ahead and grab their stuff. Give them a little bit of a head start, and then please make your way off the aircraft. Just be mindful of the people around you and please maintain that distancing. It has certainly been a pleasure having you on board today. We know you have many choices when you fly, and we thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. We hope you have a great weekend ahead. Please come back and see us again soon, and welcome to Cincinnati. And folks, we also want to keep the aircraft cool and comfortable while it's on the ground. Those of you at the windows, if you please lower the shades. And when we reach up to us to open those air vents above you, it's going to help keep the aircraft cool and comfortable. Thank you. Flight attendants, disarm doors to arrival. Cross-check, please.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Have a good day.
Take care.
You too.